In this video, we're going to look at the last two lowercase letters from our stage 2 sounds. We have the lowercase letter D for the D sound and the lowercase letter G for the G sound. Let's have a look. Both of these letters are going to start in the grass. Alright, so I'm going to start in the grass for the D, and I do an open mouth, and then I need a tall stick, which means I have to go from the sky down to my line. D. So remember, when we do a tall stick, it starts up at the top of the sky. But our open mouth shape starts in the grass. So we do an open mouth, tall stick, D. Open mouth in the grass, tall stick from the sky, D. You ready to do some with me? Let's keep going. Open mouth, tall stick, D. Open mouth, tall stick, D. Make sure your tall stick starts from the top of the sky and that your open mouth stays in the green grass. Open mouth, tall stick, D. Last one. Open mouth, tall stick, D. Well done. Now let's look at our lowercase letter G, G. This has got an open mouth as well, so that's going to start in the grass. At the top of the grass we do an open mouth, and now we've got a possum tail that goes from the top of the grass down to the dirt. So we start at the top of the grass and we do our possum tail shape into the dirt. G. Open mouth in the grass, possum tail, grass to the dirt. G. Open mouth in the grass, possum tail, grass to the dirt. G. Open mouth, possum tail, G. Let's do 3 more. Open mouth, possum tail, G. Remember, our open mouth is in the grass, our possum tail, grass and dirt, G. Open mouth, possum tail. We've got room, should we do one last one? Open mouth, possum tail, G. Now let's review all of the ways we write the lowercase letters from stage 2. Let's start with O, the lowercase O. It's a grass shape, wide open mouth, O. The next one is our lowercase letter N, N. It's a grass shape, it's a short stick, tunnel, N. Our lowercase letter V, V. It's a grass shape, sloping line, V. Our next one, the lowercase letter L, L, starts at the sky and it's a tall stick, L. Our next one is a lowercase letter H, H sound, and we start at the sky and we do a tall stick, and then we have a tunnel in the grass. Our next one is the lowercase letter B, B sound, and it starts up in the sky with a tall stick, and then it has a tunnel in the grass and we close it, B. Our next one is the lowercase letter D that we've just practiced at the start of this video. We start in the grass and we do an open mouth, and then we have a tall stick from the sky down to our line, D. And the last one is our lowercase letter G from the video, our G sound, and we start in the grass, we do an open mouth, and then remember we have a possum tail that starts in the grass and goes down to the dirt, G. Here are our letters and sounds from stage 2. The letter, lowercase letter O, O. Lowercase letter N, N. Lowercase letter V, V. Lowercase letter L, L. Lowercase letter H, H. Lowercase letter B, B. Lowercase letter D, D. And lowercase letter G, G. Keep practicing. Well done.